Hi, Dr. Smith. This is my screencast for week 10 discussion. So, my insight is that with the increasing use of technology in the classrooms, teachers have an unprecedented and prime opportunity to engage students with literacy and allow them to demonstrate their knowledge in a variety of creative ways. Hicks states, if teachers are willing to give students the flexibility and freedom that such engagement and creativity require, and scaffold them through a metacognitive process of reflection and analysis, they can engage deeply with their reading using digital writing. In the classroom, I've yet to implement a creative assignment in which students can engage in reading and take creative control in presenting their knowledge of the reading. I've only used argumentative essays, which are mandated by administration. I can incorporate this technology by providing a text on the scientific concept and having the students present it either as a rap video, as mentioned in previous discussion boards, PowerPoint, commercial, etc. I would take Hicks' recommendation, having students create a product, poster, commercial, website, podcast, etc., and then reflect on whether the screencast should most likely be a once per marking period experience. Let me move on. Support. Thomas Torelli supports my insight that text engagement through creativity is important when he states, creation of personal projects piques students' curiosity and brings out their greatest level of creativity. Hicks quote, without reflection and self-evaluation is only a step in the right direction is something Thomas strongly agrees with, especially for younger age students. Lewis supports my insight that the old format of reading, print, and writing responses become antiquated, and technology should be used in tandem with reading assignments when he states, however, another factor that has had a role in this educational shift has been the advancement of technology and educators' understanding that the younger generations of students are moving forward in conjunction with technology. Jacqueline supports the idea that we need to engage students in reading with more creative ways. Teachers to choose engaging text with academic vocabulary, push readers to think about the role of language in the text and genre. Finally, Shidia supports my idea that technology has drastically changed the way we can present text and engage students when she states, adding technology encourages students to engage with text while at the same time pushing for deeper meaning making and reflection through the use of digital writing tools. Student interest is key in creating engaging lessons. My 2-3 takeaways. 1. Students will engage in text and assignments when they're allowed to have a sense of ownership in the creative process. 2. Allowing students to get creative and use different modalities to demonstrate their knowledge will drastically increase the student engagement. And 3. Using technology in tandem with text assignments helps students engage better with the text since it is something that's familiar to them and allows for increased creativity. Overall, it seems that using technology and allowing creativity increase engagement for all students. Thank you very much.